One thing you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm home. Well, almost home. Waiting for the elevator. Oh, there we go. What? So yeah, it's that time. I'm home. I'm gonna go upstairs. I can't remember what I took out to cook today, but I'm gonna deal with that. And then I'm gonna put up the tree tonight, you guys. I was gonna go check Kamisha. I don't know if you guys remember Kamisha. Actually, I don't remember what I put up most of for my housewarming vlog. But I'm trying to remember if there was any other vlog Kamisha would have been in. I don't think so. But Kamisha, one of my longtime girlfriends, she's also going to Jamaica. Carter's mom. Oh yeah, Carter, I did the whole baby shower. Sorry, never mind. I was gonna go look for her because she's leaving on Wednesday. She's gonna be gone for about a month. I know I'm gonna more than likely see her in Jamaica, but yeah, I wanted to go do that. Hold on. This guy decided to call in sick when I come home. Where is he? Where is he? Let's bet the dishes are still in the sink. Yes, of course they're still in the sink because I had to do everything. Yes. So yeah, tasks for tonight. We are going to put up the tree, you guys. So we're gonna find something to eat, put up the tree, and that is Vlogmas Day 6. I think that will be a good episode. I really can't believe so the boy gone. Like, I asked him to pick me up from... I asked him to come get me from work, you know. I'm gonna tell me, say, oh, you know, all the traffic's there by fear place. Me now come up there, me can't make it up there. Where? I'm thinking this Negro is at home. Where the fuck are you? Where are you? Me tell you already today, you know, you tell me, say, oh, you're sick, you're calling in sick. Me ask you if I search your name and you're not answer me, but it's okay, it's alright, it's okay. It's alright, it's okay, you can leave if you want to leave. You know, yeah, you know, alright. So I'm going to take off my things them, you know, get a little comfortable and come back to me. Yeah, I kind of need to charge anyway, so yeah, me soon come. Anyways, party people, let's get this started. Woo! Oh, shit. Okay. I should move my couch out of the way a little bit. I'm excited. So we got our feet. My tree's not big. You know, just two. I'm used to tree are 4, you know? But you know, when you start adulting in life, you gotta cut back, you know? So, let's do this. Merry Christmas, you guys. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Rosh Hashanah. Happy Black Friday, Cyber Monday.
What's a pick at the party? Girls are free coming. Go 1 million comments. Dance all for the streets, no else. No member about no crosses. You a good life sweet with them. Just dance to the beat, oh yeah. Dance all where the people say. Give me girl. I'm me rumming on me hand. I'm me rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas.
First part done. Tee dee, ta-da! Put down my little skirt. Put down your little skirt. You don't have no blouse, but put down my little skirt. Put on. Yeah, you. I use a Christmas tree. I use a green like sea. Rim. The draft in some here of this one. And then what else? So I'm gonna put that on true. Hey, Sade just posted her vlog. If y'all ain't watching Sade's Vlogmas, go subscribe to hers. We all counting down to go down. Okay, wait. Let's have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. A very little Christmas. You don't want to get the back, okay? Because nobody's going to see the back. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Thank God I didn't try to become a singer.
Them chat about me too hype, and them no love how me a function. All because them no know where me a come from. Me a chat from the ghetto full of whole heap a gun. You shoulda happy say me never turn a gunman. Bad mind them not appreciate when them see a youth a rise, them appreciate. Enough of them want me fall back in the race, so them sit down and a plan to put traps in me way. Meanwhile them a fight up and judge and me a call. So dirty bad mind them no bother me at all. One step at a time.
You not have to be my friend, nah. Me not have to be your friend. You not buy me food. You not take care of my kids them. Me know them a pussy from long time, so me not to believe in a mankind. Me future brighter than sunshine. Plus me granny tell me this one time. He said, new level, new level. New level, new level. New level, new level. A them turn Tony in a rebel. You know.
And then last but not least, this is the star I decided to go with. Hey. You guys, it's done. You guys, my tree is up. Our tree is up. It's up. It's ooh, that bling though. Ooh, yanza, yanza. Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus. Okay. Yeah. Me not care what one wants about my tree. No, me like my tree. Okay, me I go fling on a little more decoration, and then you know the lights and things them and things them. I go come and ting. You know, I have backdrop, I can record my video, then I trim. I want to DEM. I want some girl and her friend. I want to them. I don't know about me. Understand? None of them don't know about me. Them don't want to know about me. Hi, my name is Zoisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing absolutely nothing because there's nothing to discuss.
You know, Christmas was made for you.
Zoisha. Aha. So what wanna do have? Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Dance Revolution sing along is done for today. I did it, you guys. I put up the tree. Are you still recording? Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I put up the tree, guys. It's now 9:30, and I'm gonna sign off here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't think there's anything left for me to do tonight. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope this is eventful for you guys. As you can see, I've worked up a sweat. I'm gonna take me a nice shower and call it a night. Cause I'm still practicing that adulting thing, you know, so I gotta get up in the morning and go to that thing called work. You know that thing? Some of you guys maybe, yes, no? Okay. Yeah, so that thing. I gotta go there. Because in order to take you guys to Jamaica, I need money. Bye. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys, again. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh, you guys, countdown to Jamaica. Hold on. Sade do it in hers. In her vlog. So if you guys are not... I'm going to go and actually fix up all these video messages and stuff. Like, there's no links to nothing or nothing. But anyways... Countdown to Jamaica. Do you guys see that? I don't even know if I should tell you guys. Like, but anyways, yeah. So countdown. There you see it. Adios, amigos. I'll be out soon. It is now. What day is it today? It is the 5th, and I leave this day. Bye bye. See you guys tomorrow.